Most people think earning outside income takes months, but one framework, executed correctly, generates your first $1,000 in 30 days with zero startup capital required. Meet Jake. He spent 2 years watching YouTube tutorials on passive income. He earned exactly $0. Meet Emma. She spent 30 days executing one simple framework. She earned $1,200. The difference? Emma didn't aim for passive. She aimed for active skills combined with market demand. In exactly 30 days, using the 4-pillar income system, she crossed 1,000. The 4-pillar income system works because it targets the fastest cash conversion. Freelance services where people pay immediately for immediate value, not months later. Pillar 1 is skill assessment. Emma audited her own abilities: writing, design, basic coding, social media. She didn't invent new skills. She monetized existing ones. Pillar 2 is market research. She spent 4 hours on Fiverr, Upwork, and Toptal analyzing rates. Freelance writing, $12 to $50 per 1,000 words. Design, $40 to $150 per project. Pillar 3 is positioning. Emma didn't sell generic writing. She positioned as social media copywriter for e-commerce brands. Specific angle, higher rate, faster traction. Day 1 through 3, Emma built 2 portfolios, one Upwork, one Fiverr. She added 5 sample posts and 1 testimonial from a friend. Cost $0. Time, 6 hours. Day 4 through 7, she pitched 25 brands directly via LinkedIn and email. Target, small e-commerce shops with 1 to 10 employees. Conversion rate, 12%. 3 clients said yes. Client 1, 5 social posts at $30 each, delivered day 10. Income, $150. Client 2, 10 posts plus strategy brief at $40 per post, delivered day 14. Client 3, ongoing retainer. 4 posts weekly at $50 each, $200 per week starting day 12. By day 30, Emma had completed 8 weeks of posts. Total from Client 3, $1,600. Wait, let's verify the math. Client 1, $150. Client 2, $400. Client 3, $1,600 from first 8 weeks. But she started day 12, so 4 weeks, $800. Total by day 30, $150 plus $400 plus $800 equals $1,350. Above target. How? She stayed available, delivered early, asked for repeats. Now look at Jake's approach. He spent 30 days building a passive income course about crypto. Cost $1,200 in teachable ads, graphics. Sales, 0. Jake's mistake: he assumed audience first, then content. Emma assumed demand first, then customized content. One approach generates thousands, the other generates lessons learned. Pillar 4 is velocity. Emma set a constraint: finish every task within 48 hours. Clients noticed. Fast turnaround became her brand. They recommended her to others. By day 30, Emma had received referrals for months ahead. She could charge $60 to $70 per post now, not $30. That's a 100% rate increase. The system's core: find underpriced skills you possess, target small businesses, deliver fast, ask for repeats, raise rates. Not one viral video, not passive algorithms. Direct exchange of labor for cash. Real question: why does this work when most side hustles fail? Because Emma removed the top 3 killers: unclear positioning, generic pitching, and slow delivery. The data confirms it. Freelancers on Upwork who respond within 1 hour close 57% more contracts. Response time is a multiplier on closure rate. Emma also did something Jake never attempted. She asked every client for testimonial after delivery. 4 out of 5 said yes. Those testimonials tripled her inquiry rate by day 25. Jake watched Emma's progress and asked for her method. She told him, pick one skill, find 3 clients in week 1, deliver perfect work week 2, ask for repeats week 3, raise prices week 4. Jake tried it. Week 1, he positioned himself as LinkedIn growth specialist. 3 small SaaS founders agreed to test his service. Cost, 0. Time investment, 15 hours. Week 2, Jake grew their accounts. One gained 42 followers weekly, another gained 38. He delivered data, screenshots, exact strategies used, not vague promises. Week 3, all 3 clients asked for monthly retainers. Jake proposed $200 monthly per client. All 3 said yes. $500 monthly revenue, 0 startup cost. Week 4, Jake asked each client for 2 referrals. 60% complied. By day 30, he had 2 additional clients confirmed for month 2. Jake's total by day 30, $600 in guaranteed monthly revenue. Month 2 would be $1,200. Month 3 could be $1,800. Exponential, not linear. The framework's power: it works across industries. Video editing, copywriting, bookkeeping, social media, design, consulting. Any skill with market demand can hit 1,030. Common objection: I don't have a skill worth money. False. You have communication skills, problem solving, organization, or teaching ability. Those earn $40 to $100 per hour now. Another objection: I don't have time. Emma worked 15 hours weekly. Jake worked 12 hours weekly. That's 1 to 2 hours nightly. Less than Netflix, more than quitting. The real leverage point: once you earn your first 1,000 outside your job, you've proven the system works. You'll earn your second 1,000 in half the time, your 10th in 1 week. Emma's first 1,000, 1 month. Her next 5,000, 3 months, because she raised rates to $60 per post, optimized client acquisition, and systematized delivery. 60 days later, Emma had 20,000 in annual revenue. 1 year later, 140,000. 80% came from the 3 pillars, not effort increase. She quit her job within 18 months. Jake stayed employed but built a $1,000 monthly side income. Both chose differently because their circumstances differed. The system adapted. Here's what changed: neither waited for perfect conditions. Emma started while employed. Jake started while recovering from job loss. Action preceded certainty. That's the hidden rule. The 4-pillar income system is not about passive income, dropshipping, or get-rich schemes. It's about converting underpriced skills into cash flow within 30 days through positioning, pitching, delivering fast, and repeating. $1,000 in 30 days is replicable. It requires 0 startup capital, 0 audience, and 1 skill you already possess. The only variable: your willingness to start before you're ready. This system is one of dozens we break down at Finance North Star. We post new videos every single day showing real frameworks, real people, real numbers. Subscribe now. If this framework shifted how you think about side income, hit like. Your feedback tells our algorithm this content matters, and more people like you need to see it. Next video, compound this knowledge. We show how your first 1,000 becomes your first 50,000 through the same 4 pillars applied differently. Watch it now.